What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best carpet cleaners that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Hoover SmartWash Plus is a revolutionary carpet cleaner designed with a strong emphasis on simplicity and effectiveness. From top to bottom, it embodies the concept of simplicity. Its intuitive design features a triggered spraying system that automatically sprays your carpet when you move it forward and dries the carpet when you pull it backward, much like using an upright vacuum cleaner. In rigorous testing, the SmartWash Plus performed admirably, matching the performance of the more expensive Bissell ProHeat while costing nearly $100 less. The cleaner's auto-spray system effectively removed tough stains like soy sauce, red wine, and dirt stains, leaving carpets looking refreshed. One standout feature is its dual dedicated solution and clean water tank, which automatically mixes from both tanks as you clean. This eliminates concerns about mixing the right amount of solution or having water sit in a tank for too long. Moreover, it offers a convenient dry-only mode, allowing you to vacuum without triggering the spraying function. The Hoover SmartWash Plus also boasts a 5-year warranty, a wide cleaning head, a sizable dirty water tank, a long power cord, and an attachment hose for versatile use. While it may sacrifice some convenience for affordability, it has earned its reputation as a top carpet cleaner, delivering efficient cleaning and ease of use. Its automatic spraying system and stress-free design make it an excellent choice for those seeking an effective and budget-friendly upright carpet cleaner. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning machine that offers a deep cleaning solution with user-friendly features. It's especially ideal for those seeking an efficient carpet cleaner with impressive cleaning capabilities. This upright carpet cleaner offers 2 cleaning modes, making it adaptable to various cleaning needs. The max clean setting is perfect for heavily soiled carpets, delivering a thorough cleaning, while the express clean mode conserves cleaning formula and water for faster drying times. In product testing, this model excelled in cleaning performance, provided it was correctly assembled. Assembling the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro can be a bit challenging, and its large size may remind you of commercial carpet cleaners, which led to it losing its previous top spot in rankings. However, if you frequently encounter tough stains, need to clean a substantial area, and have ample storage space, this machine is an excellent choice. You'll need a screwdriver for assembly, and it's crucial to follow the directions meticulously to prevent potential issues. During testing, a minor leak occurred from the dirty water tank, but once properly secured, the machine effectively tackled all stains, thanks in part to the CleanShot feature for pre-treating tough stains. It removed a significant portion of set-in stains with just 2 passes, and any remaining spots could be efficiently scrubbed out using the included hose and attachments. Speaking of attachments, the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro comes with thoughtful and effective tools, including a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool with rubber bristles for capturing pet hair, a 3-inch scrubbing tool for targeted stain treatment, and a nozzle cleaning tool for maintenance. Despite being somewhat challenging to maneuver due to its size, the attachments are user-friendly and ideal for smaller, intricate cleaning tasks. Overall, the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is a powerful and versatile carpet cleaner suitable for those seeking professional-grade cleaning results for both pet-related and general cleaning needs. Its thoughtful design and attachments, along with Bissell's support for the Pet Foundation's mission, make it a valuable addition to any cleaning arsenal. The Bissell 1400B Little Green is a beloved multi-purpose portable carpet and upholstery cleaner renowned for its remarkable stain-removing prowess. Beyond its endearing turtle shell appearance, this diminutive yet powerful cleaning machine has garnered a dedicated fan base for good reason. In rigorous testing, the Little Green demonstrated its exceptional stain-lifting capabilities. Stubborn coffee and orange juice stains vanished without a trace, leaving surfaces pristine. Even more challenging stains like ketchup and potting soil, though faint, showed remarkable improvement after just a few passes. Had these stains been addressed immediately, they would likely have disappeared entirely. Weighing in at just under 10 pounds, the Little Green's lightweight base is complemented by its user-friendly stain remover tool, which connects via an 8-foot hose. Its compact dimensions make it a breeze to store, and according to the manufacturer, it can even be stored with water and a cleaning solution inside, ensuring it's always ready for action. Cleaning and maintenance are hassle-free, with the added convenience of a self-cleaning tool for the hose. Highly recommended for spot treatments on carpets, rugs, upholstery, and car interiors between deep cleaning sessions, the Bissell 1400B Little Green boasts formidable suction power, a generous 48-ounce tank capacity for extended cleaning, and a versatile design that accommodates various surfaces throughout your home. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to rescue homeless pets, making it a win-win for both cleaning and compassion. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is tailored for pet owners and designed to effectively tackle pet hair and stubborn stains while providing great value. A standout feature is the Power Spin Pet Antimicrobial Brush Roll, which vigorously engages with carpet fibers, effectively loosening and collecting pet hair. While maintaining this brush roll can be a bit challenging, Hoover includes a cleaning tool to assist with the task. In testing, the PowerDash Pet swiftly addressed fresh coffee stains with just one forward pass, showcasing its cleaning prowess. For tougher, set-in stains like potting soil, it required a bit more effort. It's recommended to thoroughly vacuum any noticeable debris before using the cleaner. One of its notable features is the presence of two separate tanks, one for clean water and another for dirty water, each half a gallon in capacity. This smaller tank size makes the machine more compact and easier to store, though it may necessitate more frequent pauses for refilling. Despite not coming with a plethora of advanced features, the Hoover PowerDash Pet impresses with its affordability and functionality. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, but it could benefit from additional attachments to handle tougher stains effectively. This cleaner's whole home versatility, including the ability to clean carpets, stairs, upholstery, and more, makes it an excellent choice for pet owners and individuals needing to deep clean smaller spaces within a budget-friendly price range. Its heat force technology ensures faster drying, getting you back to enjoying your freshly cleaned carpets swiftly. The Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is a powerful and robust cleaning machine that distinguishes itself from its smaller counterparts. While it requires no assembly, it's notably heavy and somewhat cumbersome to remove from the box. However, once set up, its efficiency becomes apparent. With just 3 passes, the Big Green Professional exhibited remarkable stain-removing capabilities, eliminating coffee stains and various other blemishes. It includes a practical handheld hose attachment, highly effective at tackling stubborn spots and even erasing memories of chocolate syrup mishaps. The 25-foot power cord allows for convenient movement throughout your cleaning space, and it neatly wraps around the machine for storage. The machine's large tank capacity enables extended cleaning without frequent refills, but it becomes exceptionally heavy when full. Maneuvering it when full may pose a challenge, although it handles well once you get accustomed to its size. Cleaning the Big Green Professional is generally straightforward, though some grooves in the dirty water tank can be a bit tricky to clean. While it's not suitable for small spots and stains due to its bulk, it excels when dealing with larger areas, making it an excellent choice for substantial cleaning tasks. The Bissell Big Green Professional is not only effective but also supports the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to aid homeless pets. With its ability to out-clean leading rental machines and its XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush, it offers professional-grade cleaning results for your carpets, making it a practical choice for those seeking deep and thorough carpet cleaning.